Real data often has hundreds of features, far too many to picture, and many of them repeat the same information. PCA is the classic way to squeeze all of that down to just a few, while keeping what matters. Let's keep it visible with just two features. Notice these two move together. When one goes up, so does the other. The cloud leans into a tilted oval. That tilt is a clue. The two features are partly telling the same story. PCA starts by finding the single most important direction. It hunts for the line along which the data spreads out the most. Here it is, running right down the long axis of the oval. We call it principal component 1. Then it finds the next direction, at a right angle to the first, along the little remaining spread. That is principal component 2, the short axis. Two new directions, ranked by how much they vary. Now the clever move. Let's turn our head and rotate the whole picture so that principal component 1 lies flat, left to right. Same data, we are just looking at it from its most natural angle. With the cloud lined up, here is the whole trick. The up and down spread, the short direction, is tiny. It barely matters, so we simply flatten it. We drop every point straight down onto that one horizontal line. And look what just happened. Every point now sits on a single line. We started with two features, and we are down to one number per point, its position along this line. Two dimensions squeezed into one. But did we lose much? This is the best part. We can measure exactly how much of the spread each direction holds. Principal component 1 alone keeps 88% of everything. The direction we threw away held barely 12. So we cut the data in half, from 2 columns to 1, and kept almost 90% of the information. That is the magic of PCA. Big shrink, tiny loss. And that is the one idea to remember. Keep the directions that vary the most, and quietly drop the ones that barely change. Just remember to put your features on the same scale first, or one loud feature will hog all the variance. With PCA, even data with 1,000 features can be packed down to a handful, fast to train and easy to picture, while keeping the real signal. PCA reshapes the features you already have. But often the biggest wins come from crafting smarter features in the first place. That is feature engineering, and it is next.